Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I welcome you to the ClickFunnels headquarters. I'm here today to share with you guys something really, really important. It's called a kinda like bridge. And this is gonna help you to sell whatever it is you're selling way easier, because so many of you guys get so caught up in the techno babble of your thing that nobody actually wants to give you money. But before we do that, what I want you to do is, if this message resonates with you or anyone you know, please share it down below and tag them in a comment, whatever it is. That way they can learn about kinda like bridges and help make them more money, make you more money. And at the same time, if you like this video, if you share it, it lets me know, and then I'll keep making cool videos like this. If not, then don't share it. But if you like it, please share it. All right, with that said, let's talk about a kinda like bridge. So what is a kinda like bridge? The problem that most people have is when you're speaking to someone or selling something. It can be anything from a car to a new book or whatever it is that you sell. The biggest problem we have is that we start talking to people and we start trying to sell them logically. We start spewing out all this techno babble on people, right? We're trying to explain this new concept. The problem is, as soon as you say that and use a word that somebody doesn't understand or they don't know, the second you do that, you may feel smart about yourself because you're using a really big word, but the problem is that their eyes glaze over and everything you say from that point forward just kind of gets all fuzzy and disappears. And so what I do is I use this really cool thing called a kinda like bridge. And what that does is, every single time I introduce a new concept or a word that they may not be familiar with, the second I say the word, I stop and I say, you know, it's kind of like this. Okay, so for example, let's say I was in the weight loss market. I was trying to explain to somebody what ketosis was. Now let's say you're a weight loss expert, you already know what it is, so you think that you're really smart using that big word. You say, yeah, if you get your body in ketosis and blah, 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 right? The person, as soon as you said the word ketosis, their mind got fuzzy and everything said afterwards disappeared. But if you stopped and said ketosis, and you're like, you know, ketosis, it's kind of like, imagine you had like a million motivational speakers running through your body, giving you energy. Like, that's what it feels like to be in ketosis. So I say, it's kind of like, and I bring it back here, and I bridge it to something that they already understand. Okay, if I was going to explain to you what funnels works, I'm here at ClickFunnels. I said the word funnel. I may think I know what I'm talking about. May feel very smart, but it doesn't help me to get the concept back to you. So I may say the word funnel, and I'll stop and I'll say, like, a funnel. It's kind of like, have you ever been to McDonald's before, and you go through the drive-in and you order a Big Mac or whatever, and they ask you if you want fries with that? That's an upsell. Like, that's like a funnel where you're adding more things on. You're like, oh, cool, yeah, I know McDonald's. That's a funnel. Okay, cool, I get it. And then they understand the new concept. This is the key to sales, to persuasion, to everything you do. The second you use any kind of word in any conversation, whether you're talking, you're on a Facebook Live, you're doing a video, you're doing a webinar, you're writing a book, whatever it is, every single time you come upon a word or a concept that is in any way confusing to anybody besides you, you need to stop and say, it's kind of like this. And then you share what it's kind of like. Then they will understand it instantly. That'll be bridged, and then they will continue to listen and focus on your message. This kind of like bridge has made me so much money. It's so simple. It's something that every one of you guys can do today. In fact, it's just one of the cool concepts I teach inside of my brand new book called Expert Secrets. Expert Secrets will teach you how to share your message. It's going to talk about how to do stories the right way, how to use kind of like bridges and other things to get your message out to the world. Expert Secrets will help you to find your message. It's going to help you to build a tribe, and it's going to help you to personally change the world. Now, if you want your free copy of this, I bought a whole bunch of these. I covered the book cost. You cover the shipping and handling. There'll be a link either up above or down below. Click on that link and you get your free copy of the Expert Secrets book so you can get your message out to more people.